Imagine earning passive income while you sleep. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the secret strategies top marketers use to write affiliate product reviews that turn casual readers into buying customers. You won't believe how easy it is to skyrocket your sales with just a few simple tweaks. Don't miss out, this could change your life forever. Understanding your audience's needs and preferences is the cornerstone of writing compelling affiliate product reviews. Picture your reader landing on your product review. What's the first thing they are looking for? They're probably seeking a solution to a problem or hoping to find out how a product can bring value to their lives. By really diving into their mindset, you can create content that resonates on a much deeper level. Think about it. If someone is searching for a fitness tracker, they're likely interested in health benefits, accuracy in tracking, and perhaps the convenience of use. Highlighting these aspects in your review will not only capture their attention, but also build trust and authority. Instead of just listing features, explain how these features solve their specific problems. For example, you might say, "This fitness tracker's heart rate monitor is incredibly accurate," which means you'll get reliable data to help you improve your workouts. Tailoring your reviews to address these precise needs can make a tremendous difference. It transforms a casual reader into an engaged one who's more likely to follow your recommendations. This way, you're not just selling a product, you're providing a solution to a specific problem, which is far more persuasive. So, before writing your next review, ask yourself, do you truly understand who your readers are and what they want? Let me know in the comments how you plan to dive deeper into understanding your audience. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. When it comes to creating compelling product reviews, striking the right balance between information and persuasion is key. You want to provide enough detailed information to be genuinely helpful, but you also need to use persuasive techniques to encourage your viewers to take action. Let's start with the information part. Detailed specifications, user experiences, and a clear list of pros and cons are essential. Why? Because your audience needs to trust that you know what you're talking about. Think about it if you're reviewing a new smartphone. Mentioning its battery life, camera quality, and user interface helps paint a clearer picture for your viewers. These details add credibility to your review. But here's where persuasion comes in. You can't lean too heavily on just listing facts. Use emotional appeals to connect with your viewers on a personal level. For instance, explain how that smartphone isn't just a gadget. It's a device that can keep them connected with loved ones, capture precious moments, and simplify their daily tasks. You're not just selling a phone, you're selling an experience. Urgency is another persuasive tool. Let your viewers know why now is the best time to make a purchase. Maybe there's a limited time discount or the product is selling out fast. This motivates them to act quickly rather than putting off their decision. So how do you integrate these elements seamlessly? Mix detailed information with storytelling. Instead of just talking about features, share how these features can solve specific problems. Paint a picture of the product in use and highlight the user experience. Balance facts with emotion, creating a narrative that's both informative and engaging. Now think about the last product you bought. What tipped the scale for you? Was it the detailed information, the emotional connection, or perhaps a sense of urgency? Let me know in the comments how you weigh information and persuasion in your purchasing decisions.